The OCOHW fan has an adjustable speed by when pressing on the button and adjusting to a desired level from 0 through 100 by holding down and letting go. Pick the speed you like or the 4 designated speeds. We're going to show you what the OCOHW fan is all about. We're reviewing today a 10,000 milliamp, 13,500 5-mode fan. Across 4.5 inches by 3.5 inches in height by 2.5 inches in depth. It has a LED light, the fan area, the strapping area, rubber round, a clip that opens up, that puts on a table and wear around your waist or neck with the strap and a USB-C charging port. What we're going to do is show you how to charge the fan. Our demonstrations, we have a USB-C charging cable. The port is located here with the power bank USB-A and a USB-C input showing at 48% and a green lightning for charging. As we set up with the tethers, slide through each of the loops to the side and we can take off the clip around and lock in each of the strings. When fully charged at say 100%, the light will stay on till the light shuts off after a number of seconds, 30 seconds to a minute. As we are interchangeable and adjustable with the strap, place it around either way. You have the buttons to turn on with the light by pressing. Go through a number of settings, brightness and rapid SOS. Turning the fan on is hitting the button below for speed number 1. Speed number 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to off. As you can hear the fan blowing, this is low. It has a quiet decibel, dB. With the plastic sides, the fan end duct blowing out. Place it on your belt. Place it over and under your shirt to blow the air from inside and up. As you can see, the strap and not the fan, and it is the on position. For those hot days, the waist fan blowing into the shirt, as you can see. We're in the front, on the side, or towards the back. Wear it in the kitchen. Wear it when gardening around your neck. So this way you have a fan. That acts as a power bank with the supplied 1 meter or less cord that plugs into the front bottom USB-A port located on the side. It has a cable wrapping system as well to shorten your cable. Charge your camera, charge your cell phone, up to 10,000 milliamps charging. Table mount, belt mount, backpack mount, and more. You can mount it on your pants on the inside facing down as well. The OCOHW has a 1, 25, 75, and 100% blowing speed. It is a fan for wearing around your waist or around your neck, putting on a backpack, and more. A portable waist fan for your cooling needs on those days. Thank you for viewing.